Welcome to this video about applications on Microsoft Lync and the Unified Communications Platform. My name is Albert Kooijman and I do product management, and I'm here together with Joe Skirman.
Thanks, Albert. Yes, my name is Joe Skirman, and I'm the CEO and founder of Evangelized Communications. We are a development partner of Microsoft's. We have an application which we call SmartChat, and SmartChat is a solution that is built on top of the Microsoft Lync platform. And the solution itself is very simple. Basically, what we do is we enable live presence-enabled chat via anyone's website. It works for any type of company. It's not specific to, a specific vertical. And then from that application, a visitor, who's shopping on a website or just looking for information, can simply just click to chat with specific agents that would be running on the internal side of the organization supporting those chat sessions. So the visitor basically clicks on the chat icon and actually starts a chat session. So by clicking on the agent icon, all I have to do is fill out a preset list of questions, where these questions are completely customizable, and then simply click Chat Now, and our Silverlight application launches, and you'll see basically that you're in a chat session with a series of agents in a queue. And so I'm just going to ask a general question here, and the system will now find an agent to communicate with me as a web visitor. And if you notice, through Microsoft Lync, if I am an agent, I'll receive a pop-up notification from that visitor, and I'll be involved in a queue with a set of other agents that might be in that queue to be able to communicate back to that user. Yeah, so let's take a scenario where you're shopping for a specific item. Using SmartChat, you can actually go to the website, you can see specific information like on a specific web page. Say you're buying a projector. You can go to the page and look at all the specific keywords about that projector, such as lumens or contrast ratio, or those specific items that you may not know about. Even using contextual collaboration, I can highlight or hover over those keywords and then chat with subject matter experts based on that information. Now we can, through subject matter keywords, we can link those with specific queues, and those queues are set up to find agents based on their subject matter expertise, their roles. And that's a different way of enabling chat than what you're used to today. Specifically today, you have the capability of just chatting in general to a group available queue of agents. Now we've taken that a step further by really connecting subject matter with those subject matter experts, so you're reaching the right person every time. Also within the administration console, we can see basic reporting that is common for most actual contact center applications that are out there today, such as the most popular agent. So we can see that Eve in this example is the most popular agent for this deployment of SmartChat. And then we can also set up specific sessions as far as monitoring those live sessions that are ongoing. So an administrator can actually barge in to a specific session that they see as online. From the Microsoft Lync client, you'll see that the application will extend out, and I can see relevant information about that user. Clicking on the App Sharing and Desktop Sharing tab, as an agent, I can actually share out my desktop or an application directly with that web user, and they can actually see that information in a browser-controlled session. Let's say a web visitor is learning about a product that they want to purchase, or just finding out additional information whatsoever. The agent can actually share out information from their desktop or a specific catalog from an Adobe PDF file or a Word document directly with that web visitor, and there's no software to install from the web visitor's perspective. So they're just really seeing a share of that agent's application using Microsoft Lync. So benefits include cost savings in that we have a one-time license purchase for our software. It's not a monthly or hosted subscription-based cost. There's no internal integration from the perspective of a large-scale contact center type deployment, so there's not a large premium cost from a services perspective there as well. And then from a integration standpoint, what we do is we actually embed chat within line of business applications, so the agents supporting those visitors can see more information about the visitor than they have been before. These existing applications that are out there today for web chat are so disconnected. Now we know who the customer is, what the customer's history is, and additional information about that user to provide the highest quality level of support for that specific visitor. So for more information on SmartChat and all of our other unified communications applications, such as SmartClass for education and SmartCare for healthcare, simply just go to our website at evangelized.net.